Greetings, fellow traders. Bowen here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Friday, August 21st, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today and trading week. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market here today. So SPX. Boom! Look at that, 33.99.96. So nice all-time high there, right? So we've got this week, right? We hit all-time highs today. We hit all-time highs as well. So that takes us out of the trend box here, and keeps us bullish until proven otherwise going into the weekend. So pretty cool stuff right there. The MOC was pretty high there on the sell side, but again, market's still holding up pretty well right here. Green candle day, increased volume, right? Let's take a look at the price action here intraday. Let's go to the S&P futures. So S&P futures, right? I mean, may as well just be the S&P Apple today, which pretty much held the entire market up. I mean, there was so much red, across the S&P, except for Apple just shining green all day today. Green apples are good too. Anyway, so good move up here from the pre-market levels, right? They did a lot of stuff last night. They take a lot of the fun on the S&P out sometimes overnight. So we had a nice move down, nice V rally again as usual. A lot of choppy, messy, and then up a little bit, then choppy, messy, and then a couple little spikes right here. And we tested the top of the last signal zone. We didn't quite get to all-time highs on the S&P futures, right? So the MES though, kind of hung in there today, broke out of that triangle that we pointed out at the lunchtime update, right? So that gave us a nice move up on the MES. Also driven by Apple, right? So which also helped bring up the Qs and the Dow today. So just a really amazing move, just such a high weighting overall, right? And gave a nice move on the Dow, right? Remember we talked about the 15 orb last night on the YouTube live stream. Look at that, how nice that bounce off the 15 orb was on the Qs and then worked its way back up, right? And then we look at the IWM, and the IWM used the 15 orb low today. So it came back to 15 orb low range and then back down, 15 orb low range and then back down again, right? So we saw that today. So today was all about Apple and a little bit of Tesla, but Tesla didn't hold on as strong as Apple did. Apple's really nice, a strong move at the open, members did well on this one at the open too, and then I pointed out in the public Twitter stream, the triangle was here. Now we traded this in the group, right, and had some nice trades on this one, and did really well. I mean, some folks were in at like $1, they're up to $4, $6, right, just really nice moves on Apple today, right, and it all came with this triangle breakout, right, from the relative strength at the open, right, as it's continuing its earnings split. And the other one that was interesting today was Tesla, right, so it gave I mean, it wasn't a beautiful chart setup right here, but we had a nice triangle right here that ended up breaking to the upside with some good volume, right, and then got strong here into the 15 orb high. So a nice move on Tesla right there for a Friday. That gives you a good trade, right? So some nice stuff there. Other than that, guys, those were pretty much the big ones all together today. There's a couple other ones that maybe are of note. We can take a look at Nikola here. So Nikola was actually weak today, right? So very weak at the open, right? So big down move for that one. Retracement right here, guys, on Nikola here from the open. Looks like about a 618. So yeah, 618 retrace right here to the 15 orb low, and then back down again. So nice move on Nikola on there. Another one, DKNG, another one to kind of keep on the radar. On that one. So this was week 2. Again, more sporting events being canceled and blah. So that really worked its way down there. And then last but not least, let's take a look at BABA. So that had a real nice move after earnings. We don't like to go in right after earnings. Right on we do day trades on, but no swings right on earnings day because anything could happen with upgrades, downgrades. But I really do like what BABA's doing here. Right, day after earnings, we got a nice gap, nice push up right here, closed above the pivot level, good volume. So keep an eye on BABA going into next week to see if that can move. And of course, we'll talk about the inside weeks over the weekend, but one more is kind of take a look at Facebook. Facebook ended up finishing the week here, I believe, with a double inside week. So that's a rarity for Facebook. So let's keep an eye on that going into next week as well. So good stuff, guys. Well, I really appreciate everybody for tuning in. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. We're going to be sending the newsletter to our subscribers over the weekend. Going to be talking about some cool new technical topics and really fun stuff, right? So we've got a Discord now, private Twitter, and of course we go live at the open and the close on Zoom, and we talk there the Discord during the stream and throughout the day if anything looks interesting. So a lot of high fives there with Apple today and also Tesla. So good stuff, guys. I hope you can join us. The links are in the description. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys.